Set 3 question number problem set 3 question number 8 question number 6. Find the 10 term of the AP if sum of the third and the 8th term is 7 and the sum of the 7th and 14th term is minus 3. You have to find out the 10 term, but this condition is given. Third term and the 8th term is 7, means third term, sum of the third term is T3 plus T8 is equal to 7. This is the first condition. And the T7 plus T17 is equal to minus 3. This is the second condition. From that you have to find out A and D, and according to that you have to find out the 10 term. You have to find out the 10 term means you have to find out T10. You have to find out T10. For that, whatever be the given things, you have to consider the first term be A and the common difference be D. According to that, you have to find out the third term, you have to find out the 8th term, you have to do the sum, and you have to frame the equation. According to that, you have to find out the 7th term, you have to find out the 17th term, you have to do the sum of the 7 and 17th term, you have to frame the equation, and by the elimination method, you have to find out A and D, and you have to put the A and D for finding the T10. So, step by step, we will solve the example. Let us find, let first term be A, and common difference be D. Then third term of the AP, you have to find out the third and 8th term. For the third term of the AB, n is equal to 3, and for the 8th term of the AP, n is equal to 8. You have to utilize the formula of Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. You have to put the value of n as 3. T3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. T3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 2D. Similarly, 8th term of the AP, n is equal to 8. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T8 is equal to A plus 8 minus 1 into D. T8 is equal to A plus 7D. So, according to the condition, from the given condition, T3 plus T8 is equal to 7. So, A plus 2D plus A plus 7D is equal to 7. Then you have to add this term of the A together. A plus A is equal to 2A. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9D is equal to 7. This is equation 1. So, second condition you have to utilize 7 term and the sum of the 7 term and the 17 term is minus 3. So, you have to find out the 7 term. For 7 term, n is equal to 7. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T7 is equal to A plus 7 minus 1 into D. T7 is equal to A plus 6D. Then for the finding the 14 term, n is equal to 14. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T14 is equal to A plus 14 minus 1 into D. T14 is equal to 14 minus 1 is equal to 13D. So, from the condition, this 7 term plus 14 term is equal to minus 3. So, A plus 6D and A plus 13D is equal to minus 3. You will add this A with this A, at that time 2A. You have to add this D, 6D plus 13D is equal to 19D. From that, you have to say that 2A plus 19D is equal to minus 3. This is equation 2. This one is the equation 2. So, you have to utilize this equation 1 and this equation 2. So, if you want to find out A and D, so you have to say that equation 1 minus equation 2. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Once you will give the minus sign, this plus 2A become minus, this plus 19D become minus 19D, minus 3 become plus 3. Then you have to strike this plus 2A minus 2A, plus 9D minus 19D is equal to minus 10D, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. You have to transpose this minus 10 that side, multiplied by minus 10 becomes divided by minus 10. D is equal to minus 1 will come. Put D is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. In this equation you have to put D is equal to 1. At that time, 2A plus 9D is equal to 7. 2A plus 9 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to 7. 2A plus 9 ones are 9. Plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus is equal to 7. 2A is equal to transpose this minus 9 that side, that become plus 9. 2A is equal to 16. If you want to find out A, at that time multiplied by 2 becomes divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. From that A is equal to 8 will come. Then once we will get the value of D as minus 1, value of A as 8, then we have to find out 10 term of the AP, that is T10 you have to find out. For T10, n is equal to 10, A is equal to 8 and D is equal to minus 1 you have to put. So you have to utilize the formula Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. T10 is equal to A value is 8 plus value of En is 10 minus 1 into value of D is minus 1. So 8 as it is, you have to write 10 minus 1, 10 minus 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Otherwise you have to do the product plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus 1 multiplied by 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. This 8 as it is, you have to write, this will come 9 ones are 9 and 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. Therefore 10 term of the given AP is equal to minus 1. So you have to write all these things in the notebook properly. Thank you.